Why you should surround yourself with happy, positive people. There are lots of reasons why having friends you can count on is important, but not all of your friends are positive thinkers. In fact, some of them may be downright negative. If you want to know why you should surround yourself with happy, positive people, then stay tuned to this presentation. Positive people will enrich your life. They will inspire you to become a better version of yourself. They will help motivate you and achieve your dreams and your goals. They won't pull you down with their pessimism. Instead, they will cheer you on your way to success. You'll find positive people everywhere, your family, friends, coworkers, and even acquaintances. There are people who will uplift your mood without asking for anything in return. Their positivity is infectious, and if you're in a negative state of mind, you'll soon find the dark clouds lifting and the sun peeking right around the edges. Happy and positive people often have a healthy sense of humor. No matter how dire their circumstances, no matter how challenging life gets for them, they'll always find a reason to smile and laugh. They'll still cheer you on, even though they're not in a good spot themselves right at the very moment. Positive people also spend less time complaining about their struggles and their problems in life. Negative people carry a lot of baggage, and they let the world know about it. You have your own problems. You shouldn't have to deal with other people's baggage too. Being surrounded by positive people works both ways. They help you become better, and you, in turn, will help them when it's them who needs help. It's a two-way relationship. You don't just take and take without giving anything in return. If you don't give something back to the relationship, then your circle of positivity is going to disappear. There's a popular saying that goes, "Tell me who your friends are, and I will tell you who you are." Take a stock of your friends. Do you know who they are? Do you respect them? Admire them? If you do, then that's a good sign. Their positivity may rub off on you, and you can emulate their success. But if you don't, then you may want to consider looking for new friends. Just remember, you can never have too many positive people in your life. Don't be afraid to go and seek them out. Soon you'll have your own circle of friends who bring you happiness and positivity.